Unicorn Gang slash squad. I'm back with another banger. Today we're gonna be eating, as y'all see as the title of this video. It's gonna be crab time. Can't do this with these gloves on. I'm gonna be like talking to you guys, tell you guys about Kylie. She is pregnant. So if you didn't see that video, that she is pregnant, go ahead and watch it. Just click my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm getting more views on my videos, so that's the main thing I'm happy about. And my crabs coming.
Your crabs, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Whoa. Okay.
Might be spicy, baby.
They're good.
I'm gonna get you some water.
So guys, first thing about Kylie, she nice, kind, always cares about her money, doesn't care what people say. She kind of petty. It is so nasty, Mama.
I can rinse them again.
Water. I almost choked there. Now something in my eye. Come on, Lord Jesus. What I'm supposed to do now?
What, baby? What's up?
My eye burning. I might have to start this video over again.
You paused it?
Alright, y'all.
Tell me what you're doing.
But first thing first, Kylie is always nice about stuff. And if it doesn't go her way, she'll get mad. And she'll start to fight. Her boyfriend, she wants to know if her boyfriend just wants her for her money or if her boyfriend wants her for good. So, ouch. I'm trying to get this open bad.
Need help?
I think I got it. Y'all, so next part about Kylie. She said when she was in high school, she had a best friend, and she named her best friend Petty because she was always petty. So she told me this story, like, her and her best friend got into it. So her best friend put on her thing, her locker, her crush name, and that was her boyfriend. It was. And she tried to fight her, but then her crush pulled up and said, "No, don't do that, it's unhealthy." And she almost got a black eye from it. Her boyfriend saved her. Crush. Next part about Kylie. Next part about Kylie is that she loves to fight. She gangs up on people. They don't have her money and she expects them to have her money or whatever she's trying to get. Kylie is a shopper. I'm telling you, man, she loves shopping. She loves to rap also. Now you want something new?
What you want, baby?
Okay.
Thank you.
Kylie loves shopping for Gucci. She loves shopping for Vuitton. She loves Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. She adores Cardi B's daughter. Trying to think some more about her. Well, I can only say this because she probably gonna be looking at it. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. How am I supposed to open this? I can't really say too much about Kylie because she's sweet. So now since she has her baby, she don't really get into the fights. And plus when her baby starts to grow up, I don't want her baby to grow up as a mean person and like to fight, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna spoil her. Ooh. But when she has her baby, people gonna be mad. Y'all probably saying why people gonna be mad when she have her baby. Well, I'm not gonna be mad when she have her baby. I'm gonna be happy. Because she sometimes are mean to her fans, and she doesn't want her fans being on her page when they're just trying to support her. But I feel like one time she was being racist, and I don't like racists. No one likes racists. And it's not right, so I don't really know the rest about Kylie and stuff. I just feel like she need to do better at what she's doing because it's not good to do that to people, and they love you and they're nice and kind to you. And it's not nice. So y'all should have a ginger reveal. I'm trying to hurry up and eat these crabs. When she had her ginger reveal, everybody there, and I'm not trying to be late. So y'all, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Y'all see my videos. Why don't y'all subscribe? It's free. Just press the subscribe button. You don't have to pay for nothing. Y'all, I know some of y'all thinking, nah, I don't want to have to pay for nothing. No, you not paying for it. Just click the subscribe button and just turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I do a video. But you don't have to. As long as you click the subscribe button, I'm alright. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, but thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all subscribe. It's free. Love y'all. That's what I can say. Peace out. Godzilla.